Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is my Quip Rechargeable toothbrush. As you can see, it is right here next to me. It's all solid black. It is going to come with the little charging cable. It's just a USB cable, and then there is a magnetic port that just basically plugs in right there on the bottom, and it then charges up. Now, so this has about a 3-month battery life on it. After about 3 months, you'll start noticing it's getting a little bit weaker. So typically charge it up whenever you change out your brush head. At least that is what I end up doing. But as you can see, it's just a normal toothbrush. One of the reasons I love the Quip toothbrushes is they have a lot of technology packed in them, and they're also nice and compact. So you can see here the size. This fits in standard toothbrush holders, which is absolutely love. You don't have those big bulky ones that sit on their own on the counter with all the wires or anything. It makes it super easy when traveling. Everybody has pretty much standard toothbrush holders, and this fits in it, which I absolutely love. Now, it also comes in this little kind of tube. I kept it as a nice little traveling case, so it's easy to bring with you and just throw this in. However, they did think about, you can use the bottom part as a traveling accessory as itself, because you can also just put the toothbrush in this way, and then it protects it when you are traveling, and of course it has the little breathe holes, so that way it also gets nice and dry. Now on the back here, it does have a peel and stick sticker. So if you do wish to mount this like on your mirror, for example, or a window, you can also do that, which is another nice feature. I, however, just keep it in the toothbrush holder, so I don't really use the peel and stick aspect of it. Now, another cool thing about this is it's going to run for 2 minutes, and it's going to give you a cue. Every 30 seconds, you're going to feel like a little pulse, and that means it's time to move to another quadrant. So typically I'll start my lower left and go to my lower right, then go up to the top, and then so forth and so forth. And after 2 minutes, it automatically shuts off. The bristles are super soft and still firm. Like, I don't have any issues with them. They clean my teeth very, very well. I'm very happy about that. On the back side, you also have a built-in tongue scraper if you wish to utilize that. That's another great feature of this. And as I said, it's very easy to change out. Just simply, you're going to push back on it, and then you can pop off the toothbrush and swap in the new one. Very, very easy. To power it on, there's a little cue at the top button. You're just going to simply press that, and it will start operating and working just fine. You'll feel it go ahead and vibrating. Now, it's all fully waterproof, so if you are one that likes to brush your teeth in the shower, you can even bring this in the shower and brush your teeth in there if you so wish. So it doesn't matter. You can get the whole thing wet. It will dry and work perfectly with that. Now, this particular one also has the Bluetooth app. And so through that Bluetooth app, you can go ahead and track your stats if you wish. You want to see how hard you're brushing or how light, if you're spending equal time on all the quadrants. And then you can kind of get points and all this other stuff through the app. Those are just another bonus features if you get this version. But overall, I've been very happy with my Bluetooth rechargeable toothbrush. It saves a lot on batteries because I can just recharge this up. So for all those reasons, I do recommend trying this one out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.